In this demonstration film, we'll show you two supermarket trolleys wheeled in exactly the same circumstances. The first will be standard, the second modified. The trolleys contain large soft drink bottles weighing a total of 18 kilograms, which we're told is about the average shopper's load. With a standard unmodified trolley, our shopper has difficulty preventing the trolley from wandering downhill as she crosses a sloping parking lot. In truth, shoppers face slopes much more severe than this on ramps between floors in a complex. Look at the position of her hands as she tries to get the maximum purchase to hold the trolley straight. Of course, we really didn't need to show you this. It's something you could see for yourself 100 times a day outside one of your own supermarkets. For the purposes of the demonstration, we've actually transferred the load of the first trolley to one which has been modified. Our customer now has an additional problem. She must control a small child on a parking lot roadway while managing the trolley. Because of the child, our shopper is doing with one hand on the center of the handle what she needed two hands and all her strength to manage on the unmodified trolley. Our shopper has had none of the problems that she had with the standard trolley. A slight but scientifically accurate adjustment to the attitude of the two front casters of the trolley has changed it from a beast with a mind of its own to a docile animal, like a pet dog, that goes just where you want it. Trolley design varies from country to country and even from company to company in some areas. We have demonstrated this modification on a trolley with swiveling caster rear wheels, on the understanding that this is relevant to the type of trolley you use. Just watch this. If the trolley comes to rest with the front casters at an angle, they actually correct themselves into a fore and aft situation, as if by magic. It's an indication of the forces which are brought into play with this modification. And of course, this doesn't happen with a standard unmodified trolley. The modification also makes the trolley more maneuverable inside the supermarket, but it doesn't make it harder to turn when you want it to. While we understand that your group operates trolleys with casters on all four corners, we also recognize that some companies have both four-caster and fixed rear wheel types in their fleets. And here's a short sequence from our second video which uses trolleys with wheels that have been fixed at the back so they run only straight ahead. If you have only swiveling wheel types, this will not be relevant to you, and so we suggest you concentrate on what you've just seen. But watch how the modified trolley on the left of your screen behaves in relation to the one on the right. And if you want convincing, how about trying a little experiment for yourself? Load a standard trolley from your fleet with 18 kilograms of load and try wheeling it across a slope, any slope, one-handed, as our housewife is doing. We bet you can't. If nothing else has convinced you that we really do have something, we're sure that this will.